Hello. Brazil is a country that hosts one of the largest biodiversities in the world, with millions of different species competing for food, shelter, and resources. And as you can expect, only the most vicious and ruthless animals can survive in such a competitive environment. So if you have ever wondered what are the most dangerous animals in this beautiful country, stay tuned, because that's exactly what we are going to talk about in this video. But before we begin, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, without further ado, let's get right to the video. Number 10. Bullet ant. The 10th most dangerous animal on our list is the bullet ant. Well, the bullet ant is pretty small when compared to other animals on this list. They are typically less than 1 inch long and weigh way less than a gram. But don't let its small size fool you, because it is considered to be the most lethal insect in the whole Amazon rainforest. It has an extremely powerful sting that will cause you nausea, tachycardia, and leave you feeling excruciating pain for at least 48 hours after. In fact, its sting is so painful that most people compare it with getting shot by a firearm, hence the name bullet. Thankfully, bullet ants are not aggressive, so it's unlikely that they will come after you, unless you are near their nest and they feel threatened by your presence, in which case you'd better run for your life, because thousands of these ants will be trying to ward you off. Number 9. Brazilian wandering spider. The next one on our list is the Brazilian wandering spider, also known as the world's most venomous spider. It is 7 inches long, has creepy long legs, and a dense brush of hair that can make your skin crawl just from seeing it. And if you ever come across one, I am sure you will feel goosebumps. Now, if you are unlucky enough to be bit by the Brazilian wandering spider, you can expect to experience intense burning pain, hypothermia, dizziness, and even hallucinations. Thankfully, it doesn't like to attack humans, so as long as you don't tread on them, you should be safe. Number 8. Electric eel. And the 8th most dangerous animal on our list is the electric eel. The electric eel lives in the lakes and rivers of the Amazonian rainforest, and it is a unique and intriguing type of fish. It is 6 feet long, has organs that can produce electricity, and has ultra-specialized cells that can store this electricity just like a battery can. And those unlucky enough to be attacked by an electric eel will receive a huge 600 volts electric discharge, enough to leave you unconscious, provoke respiratory and heart failure, and ultimately death. Thankfully, like most other animals on this list, the electric eel rarely goes out of its way to attack humans. They will only attack you if they feel cornered or threatened. Number 7. Vampire bat. The next one on our list is the vampire bat. The vampire bat is a common bat species in the Amazonian region, and just as the name suggests, this creepy little animal likes to suck the blood from its victims. Surprisingly, they are able to suck blood from their victims without them even noticing. First, because their spit has a potent local anesthetic, so you won't feel any pain when the bat bites you. And also because they only hunt when there is literally no light outside and their prey can't see anything. Now, vampire bats mostly like to suck blood from cows, pigs, and other smaller animals, but they do attack humans from time to time, especially if they are feeling hungry. For instance, recently one man in Brazil has woken up and saw his bed soaking wet with his own blood, only to find out later that it was a bat that attacked him. Number 6. Black caiman. And the next one on our list is the black caiman. Well, the black caiman is one of the largest crocodile species in the world. An adult black caiman can easily be 16 feet long and weigh up to 660 pounds. And just as the name suggests, he has dark-colored skin to help him go unnoticed in the deep jungle. Now, what makes the black caiman so dangerous is his bite. His teeth and mandible are perfectly designed to crush his prey, and his jaw can apply stone-crushing pressure. As a result, his bite can destroy almost anything. The black caiman shows strong territorial behavior, so if you ever tread on their territory, beware, because they will mercilessly hunt you down. Number 5. Red-bellied piranha. Number 5 on our list is the red-bellied piranha. Well, piranhas are already well known within the pop culture because of the popular Piranha film series. But what most people don't know is that these creatures do exist, and they really look like meat-grinding machines, to say the least. They have stone-crushing jaws, a mandible perfectly shaped to attack other animals, and razor-sharp teeth capable of tearing flesh like it's nothing. Piranhas like to attack in groups. First, one of them takes a bite and rip a piece of flesh from the body of the prey, and then swim away to make way for the next one in the group to do the same. They mostly like to eat flesh from dead bodies, but when there is little food to go around, they will attack live animals, which can include humans sometimes. For instance, back in 2015, a Brazilian kid was found dead after a vicious attack by a large shoal of piranhas. So if you ever find yourself swimming in an Amazonian river, be warned. Number 4. Brazilian jaguar. And the next one on our list is the Brazilian jaguar. The Brazilian jaguar is the third largest cat species in the whole world. It is typically 30 inches tall and weighs close to 350 pounds. Now, what makes him so dangerous is that he is a natural-born stalker. He will stalk his victims until they are cornered and have nowhere to run, at which point he will launch his attack and go straight for the crushing blow, biting the neck or skull of his prey and easily crushing it. Well, since jaguars exhibit strong territorial behavior, they sometimes will attack humans to defend their territory. And as a result, they leave most of their human victims dead or severely mutilated. Number 3. Giant anaconda. And the third most dangerous animal on our list is the giant anaconda. The giant anaconda is native to the Amazonian and Pantanal regions in South America, and it is the world's largest and heaviest snake species in the world. An adult anaconda can be more than 17 feet long and weigh up to 150 pounds. But unlike most other snakes, the giant anaconda has no venom. Instead, it kills its prey by coiling itself around their bodies and squeezing them with extraordinary strength, at which point the prey dies from severe internal damage or asphyxia. And after the prey is dead, the anaconda swallows the whole body without even chewing. As you can see, the giant anaconda is ruthless with its victims. Thankfully, they rarely go out of their way to attack humans, unless, of course, they feel threatened or provoked. Number 2. South American rattlesnake. And the second animal on our list is the South American rattlesnake. The South American rattlesnake is a very beautiful viper. Its skin is full of green and brown color patterns, which helps it go unnoticed in the deep jungle. However, it is also a very dangerous animal, and that's because it has a very deadly poison full of substances called neurotoxins, which literally kills brain cells and other nerve endings throughout the body. Well, those who are unlucky enough to be bitten by a South American rattlesnake will suffer from muscle paralysis, partial or complete blindness, renal failure, and ultimately brain death. Moreover, a Brazilian study revealed that a whopping 72% of the people that are bitten by the South American rattlesnake and do not look for immediate treatment die. So as you can see, they are vicious creatures. Number 1. Poison dart frog. And the next dangerous animal on our list is the poison dart frog. The poison dart frog is a small frog from the Dendrobatidae family, and it mostly inhabits the South American region. Well, these cute little frogs may look harmless to you at first, but do not underestimate them because it is the most poisonous animal in the world. Only one small poison dart frog has enough poison to kill 10 human adults, and just a little drop of its venom is enough to make you experience dizziness, delirium, uncontrollable shakiness, heart failure, and brain death in just a few minutes. Thankfully, accidents involving poison dart frogs and humans are extremely rare, and that's because the only way to get intoxicated by the venom is if you try to eat the frog. And those were the top 10 most dangerous animals in Brazil, Amazonia. Which one of these animals surprised you the most? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe to the channel. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and until next time.
And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a fabulous day. Sayonara.